Our clients are in survival mode and they're going to have to make very difficult decisions. It's incumbent upon us as their brokers to help them in this process, to help them make those hard decisions. Our job is not about trying to sell more insurance, trying to make more brokerage. We're in the same boat as our clients. We need to help, we need to assist them make these hard decisions. We do that by not accepting an over-the-shelf product. We do this by looking at their insurance policies, doing an exposure review, determining exactly what their exposure is right now, what's important to them, what's not important to them. We do this by analyzing every single contract, by displacing any liability possible that we can place to another source. Important in this are multiple options for the client to make choices from, an understanding of the implications of each one of these options, and the financial impact each one of these options will have.